So just now we have completed work request. Now we are going to see work failure. Okay. This is also for unexpected job. I will use motor breakdown. So description is motor breakdown and it's unexpected job. I will use this is the asset for example. Automatically will get populated and failure date is let us do today. Today is the failure date and assigning as normal. Just save. A code will be assigned. Oh, failure. Okay. So here we need to give some information regarding the failure. So what type of mode it is? So this is a breakdown of motor and effect is delay in operation because of this and descriptor is unknown. And if you know anything, you can also add here. So and finally, detection method. So detection method during normal operation. I am giving during normal operation, we have found this motor breakdown and now save the information again. So after entering every details, please ensure you are pressing the save option in the main toolbar. Unless if you are selecting the save option, the added information or the status change you have made will not be registered. So to register that, please use save option from main toolbar. Completed the general tab details. Now same, you are going to elaborate it again because you need a team to fix these issues. Whether it's a certificate renewal, you need a particular team or you need help from the team. So whatever for your requirement to justify your requirement, adding some notes, adding some details to this work request or failure notes will be helpful. I will give details about work. Now I will move to, I will save here now and go to parts and tools. So parts and tools, if it is any required, we can add. Otherwise, we can go to T, next, press new. Now I will add for this make a chief engineer as an example. And I will plus responsible checkbox. Since if you are not selecting it, he will not, the chief engineer who you are assigning will not get notified. So whenever you are creating a work request or failure, please ensure that you are selected the responsible checkbox for the alerted team member. After that, press save. Now go to maintenance work order. Now you're going to create a new work order for the failure happened in your site. That is motor breakdown. So all the details will be populated from work request or failure form. Just save the document. You will be assigned with a new work order code. Zagir Power 25 2025 005471. So this is the work order number we have received and we know the due date. So when due date now it is fixed as a date happened on the failure date is considered as a due date here in the maintenance or failure. Now Go to Notes tab. You can see details about it because you have added that here, and can able to see that here in the Notes tab or request or failure notes. Again, parts and tools, team, and that's all about the maintenance work order failure. So let us assume you have a team from outside to close out this work order. Now they have fixed the issue. Now what you can do is go to the workflow. I just want to show you one more thing so you will be clear. 547 is the number. Now what I will do is go to maintenance work order. Let PW25 and I click this. So this is the work order we have created for the failure request. So it is in planned status. Now I am assuming a team came and fixed this. So I am giving issue, save. Then again press workflow, report and complete. It will ask us to report the work which have been done. So please fill the details. And if it is a overdue job, if it is not done today and it is done day after tomorrow and all, you can give a overdue reason. So for example, you can say due to dry dock or due to voyage. After adding the overdue reason, if it is. So after adding it, just again details about the job completed. So parts for the breakdown activity to clear out that if anything used. So one stock is already available. Press OK. Now you can see the status updated to completed. So this is how you should create a maintenance work request or failure and create a work order. And when the requirement is completed, you can close out the work order. So we have